this short tutorial, I will show you how to create a flash transition, so if you are interested, keep on watching. Go to the project, click on New Item, and then select Adjustment Layer. Select OK and drag and drop the adjustment layer on top of the two clips. Right-click the adjustment layer and set the duration to 20 seconds. Go to the Effects panel and type in Brightness and Contrast. Drag and drop the effect onto the adjustment layer. Set the first two keyframes for brightness and contrast to 0. Then move to the middle of the cut and set the keyframes to 80. Set the last two keyframes at the end and either click on the reset icon or manually set them to 0. And that's it, now you have a flash transition. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I will see you next time.